Hey guys, I got the water pump pulley and the smog pump pulley. Just clean up the paint off it so I can get them painted. I can actually show you how the other ones turned out since I didn't do that the other day. Got busy with Mama's car.
Hello, Mama.
Need some tampons?
No, but I know somebody else who does. Doo-doo.
Yesterday.
Doo-doo. Oh, definitely yesterday. But anyways, that's besides the point. Off topic. So I'm going to finish cleaning these up, and I'll take them out, and I'll show you the other ones that got done, and get these painted. Well, here's the crank pulley. Timing chain cover. Got the water pump and smog pump pulley. Got the first coat on them. A little bit. I'll put a second good coat over it and let it sit for 20-30 minutes, baking. And we'll flip them over. So, and we can put these on the shelf. They're safe. And double check, make sure there's nothing else that needs to be cleaned and painted. So we're getting there. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a AC conditioning.
Are you okay?
That's English. Kit for the vet, ladies and gentlemen. Cool.
Gentlemen.
So we're gonna get this on the shelf of vet parts.
Yay, vet parts.
And go from there. So what do you think, Xander? Cool box, huh?
Pull your balls off. Your balls are gonna shrivel up.
Like,
The hole in my pants is so big. If I wasn't wearing underwear, my balls would hang in right now.
again?
You want to come look?
I think
Anyways.
that's worse than what I said.
Okay, so gentlemen,
Oh, I have something for.
I'm touching my balls.
vet AC stuff.
What do you have for me?
Later.